Upgrade your track lighting by replacing existing track heads with these longer-lasting color-selectable LED track heads from PLT Solutions. With no lamps to replace, they lower your energy bill and eliminate the need to frequently replace bulbs. PLT Solutions color-selectable LED track heads are halo compatible and can be used in 1 or 2 circuit tracks. These track heads come in 3 different styles: step cylinder, flat back, and linear. Step cylinder and flat back heads range from 7.5 watts to 18 watts, come in various sizes, and have a white or black finish. The linear track head is designed for wall washing, uses 20 watts, and has a white finish. All of these track heads can switch between 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin, and 5000 Kelvin by using the switch located either on the back of the head or on the arm. Each head can swivel up to 90 degrees horizontally, and the arm can adjust up to 350 degrees vertically. These LED fixtures are dimmable and also have a high color rendering index of 90 that makes color appear brighter and more accurately. ETL rated for indoor use, these fixtures can be used in a wide range of residential and commercial applications, including highlighting artwork, museum pieces, clothing, jewelry, and decor. Find these and more LED track lighting at 1000bulbs.com.